Hi, I didn't see you there. Today, you're coming on a journey with me and we are doing Guava Summer and I'm so excited. Let's go. All right, we have done a full head of foils. I couldn't tell you the last time I did a full head of foils on B today, and we are lightening her all up. We started with a tint actually as a base. It's about a 6 level. Some old highlights in here, some lightening that up, and then we're gonna pre-tone, we're gonna silverize a little bit, and then we're gonna hit it with the Guava. We're using Elumen today. It's one of my favorite products in the Goldwell portfolio. These are my ladies. I use it almost every day, and this is my go-to for the Guava. We're going to be using Pastel Rose at 10 and SV at 10. It's one of my favorite combinations. I actually use it on Stepha's hair. A bit more pink in it. But that is our mix today, and a bit of clear. Well, we are back. We have pre-lightened B's hair, and I'm coming in with some prepare. You always have to prepare the hair. This is what we're using with our little handy little scoop here. It's really, really easy to use. You basically squirt it in the hair and you use it as a comb. It's like a little shovel. I love it. Would you like some onions on your sausage? I have finished applying B's toner here. It's amazing. We've got some great coverage in there. We're going to have incredible tones coming out once we're all dry. And then we're gonna pop a timer on for 30 minutes. Great. Are you ready for the awesomeness? B is back and the timer's off and we are ready to rinse. So when I use Elumen or any type of vivid color, I love to rinse in cold water because I really love the color to lock in. And I'm gonna be shampooing with Elumen shampoo and also conditioner. Super tropical. It's juicy, it's moist, it's juicy. She's guava, baby. She's guava. So that's it for our Guava Summer transformation today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun. Let me know what you think. Hit subscribe and we'll see you in YouTube.